So we're supposed to graph this piecewise function. These are set up so they're basic forms of the 12 basic functions. E to the x, the graph should look something like this. It's an exponential increase as you read it from left to right, and it crosses at 0, 1. And that's because if you plug in 0 in here for x, e to the 0 is 1. The y value evaluates to be 1. Okay, but we're not supposed to graph this side of it, cross this out, because it says this graph only exists when x is less than or equal to 0. So only when x is -1, -2, -3, -4, so only on this side of the graph. Okay. And then the graph is supposed to switch at 0. When x equals 0, it's supposed to switch to sine of x. Sine of x, the basic form, it starts at the center of the wave, and it keeps waving like that. Okay, so it starts at 0, 0. Okay, so when I graph both these in the piece as a piecewise function, e to the x on the left side of the y-axis where x is negative, and I'm going to stop right here at, and I'm going to label that 0, 1, and then it's going to switch to a graph of sine of x. Then it's going to start doing that wave function, and I only draw it on this side and not this side because this is where x is less than 0. The sine of x graph is only supposed to happen when x is greater than 0. So there's a really ugly sketch of what it should be. Open circle there. But that's it.